depends.
Hello everyone, this is Valli and welcome back to Mukta Arts and Studios. So in this session I'm going to show you beautiful Maheshwari silk sarees with different color combinations. So we have got copper zari shine on the saree borders for all the sarees that will be shown in this session. So let me describe my saree first. Here comes a beautiful shade of blue. So with copper zari shine on borders. So the zari shine is too decent on two sides of the border. Also you can see this cream colored print on complete saree. So let's see the background mannequin pieces. Here comes the first piece on mannequin with maroon and pink on borders. So also you can see this checks pattern given on complete saree with a floral print filling inside. So in this border you can we can see gold and copper mixed shine in the background of pink. So here we have bottle green colored saree with copper zari shine, and on complete saree we have this floral print with pista green shade. So the background color is bottle green and the booties floral print given on this is with pista green color. So here comes the third piece on mannequin with mehendi green shade on complete saree. So for this saree we have the sleeve print, and here you can see the print clearly with copper zari shine on borders. let's see the final piece on mannequin. So we have this beautiful shade of brown with pink on borders. So in the background of the sari we have this floral print with cream and brown. Also on top of that we have these copper zari booties placed. So coming to border, we have a differently designed border for the sari. So just have a look at the borders. Now let's see the rest of the collection. The sari starts from 4,999 in this session. So here we have a beautiful shade of green, and you can see this black color on borders. So we have this black color on turning border with copper zari work on two sides of the border. Here is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Let's see the price for the sari. So it costs 4,999 only. So here we have second piece. And the sari is in black color. And you can see the elephant print on the sari with floral booties in copper. And also we have copper zari on two sides of the border. When it comes to other side, we have a differently designed pattern on this border with pallu. So for the sari we have a contrast blouse. So this is the blouse. Let's see the price. So it costs 4,999 only. So here we have blue, navy blue color, and also you can see mustard yellow in between the sari with checks boxes on complete sari, and copper zari shine on two sides of the border with floral pattern. Here is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Price for the sari is 4,999 only. Let's see the next piece. So here we have red, cherry red, and complete sari is in single color with white and black colored printed flowers given on complete sari. And on borders you can see this floral zari patterns on two sides. With pallu. And we have a plain colored blouse for the sari. Coming to the price for this one, it costs 4,999 only. So here you can see teal blue color on the sari. With a differently designed pattern, and on borders you can see this antique zari shine with pallu. And here is the blouse. Price for the sari is 4,999 only. And for orders, you can always contact us on this WhatsApp number. So if you want to chubinchna sarees lo meeku edi nachina, just take a screenshot and share us on this WhatsApp number. And for online contact, we can see the Google Pay contact here on this note. Take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy. Video shipped throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up and keep placing orders. So on this sari, we have fish shape design. So we can see fishes on the sari inside the circular rings. So the color, coming to the color, we have a lighter shade of brown and green on the sari, teal green. With zari work, a very slight, decent zari shine on borders with pallu. And here is the blouse. Price for this is 4,999 only. Here we have onion pink with green on borders. So on complete sari we have peacocks. So we can see 2 peacocks placed on complete sari with green color on borders. So we have lighter shade of teal green on 2 sides of the border with meenakari work given on borders. Here is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Price is 4,999 only. So this is darker shade of chocolate brown. So it's a dark chocolate color with checks and floral print in white, half white. And zari on borders with pallu. And here goes the blouse. So you can see this pattern on the blouse. So we have squares and checks boxes on this blouse. Let's see the price for this one. It costs 4,999 only. So we have brown and red here. So this is a bigger border with zari. With pallu. So we have got this plain colored red blouse. So this is not plain, we have zari borders on sleeves. Price for this one is 4,999 only. So we have a beautifully printed sari here with a shade of brown. So you can see cocoa brown on the sari with floral design on 2 sides of the border. Here is the pallu. With blouse. Price is 4,999 only. So we have shades of green and pink on this one with floral design on complete sari. So you can also see white color in between, half white. with zari on two sides of the border. Here is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Price for this is 4,999. So here is another differently designed sari with this floral digital print on complete sari. So you can see multiple flowers on the sari with hot pink and yellow, with a background of green and pastel grey on borders. So it's a differently and rarely mixed colors are seen on the sari. So just take a look at it. Also we have got a 13-inch border for this one. With pallu. And here is the blouse with pastel grey. Price is 4,999. So this is brown and cream colored sari, chocolate brown and cream, with checks boxes on complete sari. So if you can observe clearly, we have got smaller size checks boxes and on top of the sari, and when it comes to down, you can see this bigger checks boxes and lines continued with the border. So sari looks too pretty in live with this pallu, and here is the blouse. Price is 4,999 only. So on this we can see three colors: green, half white and beige in between, with checks boxes spread on complete sari. So on borders we have this navy blue color with floral design given on two sides of the border. Here is the pallu with this blouse. So entire blouse is designed with the copper zari shine. Price is 5,500 rupees only, 5,500. So far we have seen 4,999 saris. So that's the first sari with 5,500 rupees. So we have grey and tomato red on this one with this print. Here is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Price for the sari is 4,999 only. So in this session, most of the saris are in a range of 4,999. So one or two saris might be above 5k range. So we have copper sulphate blue on this with this beautiful zari shine on two sides of the border, and you can see this patola print on complete sari. With leaf work on borders. Here is a pallu, and this is the blouse. Price is 5,500 rupees only. So here we have brown and red with red color floral work given on complete sari, and we have a 13-inch border for this one with floral work on complete borders of two sides. Here is the pallu. So on this pallu you can see this silver tissue shine. And this is the blouse. Price is 4,999 only. So for orders, please do contact us on this helpline number. So if at all you have liked any sari shown from the beginning of the video, take a screenshot of the sari and share us on this WhatsApp number shown here. We do have Google Pay contacts here mentioned here. Take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy. We do ship throughout the globe from all our Murda stores. And here is the next color. So the print here given here is a bit different. Pallu. And this is the blouse. Price for the sari is 4,999 only. So we have seen many patterns, many colors in the similar pattern. So here we have darker shade of grey with tomato red on borders. With pallu. And this is the blouse. Price for the sari is 4,999 only. Here we have pastel grey again with copper zari on two sides of the border. So the print given on the sari is clearly visible. With pallu. And this is the blouse. Price for this one is 4,999 only. So here we have beige with cocoa brown on borders. So sari looks too pretty with this floral print on complete sari body. So on this border we have copper zari shine with pallu. And here goes the blouse. Price for this one is 4,999 only. So we have royal blue on this sari. It's a lighter shade of royal blue with pink and orange color flowers given. So it's a digital floral print, and in this pattern we have already seen one color combination with grey, and here this is completely with blue and grey on borders. And this is the blouse. Price is 4,999 only. So this is another beautiful sari. So in the background we have a darker shade of blue with tomato red on borders. So if you clearly look at the floral print given on the sari, so it looks too pretty in light with white color flowers on it, with pallu, and here you can see this blouse, colorful blouse is given for the sari. Price is 4,999 only. So we have already seen this pattern before, and it's a color also same color, but there's a slight difference in the shades of brown. So on borders you can see these lines, diagonally designed lines with florals inside. Here is a pallu. With cream color blouse. Price is 4,999 only. So this is another beautiful sari with bottle green and wine color on borders. So it's a lighter shade of wine on borders with bottle green on complete sari. So you can see this bunch of flower print given on the sari body. It's too pretty. One side we have this diagonally designed lines, and on the other side you can see the border is a bit differently designed. And here is the complete look with pallu and a contrast colored blouse. Let's see the price for this one. Okay, for the prices missed here, please contact us on our helpline numbers. Our team will help you and reveal the prices over there. So for most of the sarees, I'm revealing out the prices soon after showing this piece. But for some of the sarees, I've missed it here. So please do contact our helpline numbers for those prices. So here we have cream and pink color. So the background of the saree is in cream with a bigger border of 14 inches. So let me explain the work given on the saree. So you can see this diamond shaped print in green with a bunch of flowers inside, and copper zari shine on two sides of the border. So on borders we have leaf booty work with pallu, and this is the blouse. Price is 4,999 only. So this is beige, and we have already seen pink color in this pattern with peacocks. So this is copper zari shine on two sides of the border. With pallu, and this is the blouse. So here is a lighter shade of mehendi green with bottle green on borders. So you can see leaf print in the background of the saree, and it's similar to what we have on mannequin. So we have two colors here, brown and green, and on this we have complete shades of green, two different shades of green on the mannequin saree, and here it's brown and green. With peacocks on the other side of the border. Here is the pallu with blouse. Price is 4,999 only. And here we have lighter shade of yellow with tomato red on borders. So it's a lighter shade of tomato red on border. And the floral print is with maroon, yellow, darker shade of yellow. So we have butterflies, flowers on complete saree. With pallu and blouse. So we have a contrast blouse for this one in red. Price is 4,999 only. So we have already seen this pattern with red color on borders. So saree body color is same, but the border color changes. On borders we have two colors. One is the red, the one which I have shown previously, and here we have parrot green. With pallu and a multi-colored blouse. So on blouse you can see too many colors inside checks boxes. Price is 4,999 only. Now let's see the last piece in this session. So it's a lighter shade of blue and grey on borders with yellow color trimmed in between. Just have a look at the complete saree. We have a bigger border for this of 14 inch. With pallu. And this is the blouse. Price for this one is 4,999 only. So for most of the sarees shown in the session, the price range is of 4,999, and for one or two sarees, the price is of 5,500. If at all you have liked any saree, please do take a screenshot of that and share us on this WhatsApp number given here. Also, we do ship throughout the globe, and we have Google Pay contacts given here on this note. Take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy. We do ship throughout the globe from all our Mugdha stores. So that's it in this session. This is Wali signing off for the day, and see you all in our tomorrow's live. Bye bye.